Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So, if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out. However, we don't give buy or sell signals here. So, if you're expecting it, then this group may not be the place. But if you're still interested in learning and being part of the community, please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. My leading watch for today would be ticker NEO. The stock is gapping up pre-market with a little over 4 million shares traded. And I do have support levels identified around $36.90, $36.65, $36.40, and finally around $36.10. I'll be looking for the stock to pull back to my support levels before I'm interested. The next one on watch is ticker XPEV. Yesterday I traded it. I got a small winner on this one, and today it looks impressive as well. I think this looks more interesting to me as the stock is not overcrowded, close to a little over 1 million shares traded. So I'm more inclined to trade ticker XPEV. So XPEV will be my primary watch going into market open. Then I'm also watching ticker IPOE and ChargePoint. I don't have support levels identified as of now because pre-market volume is low on this one. So I'll keep it on watch. So that's the plan going into market open, and we do have around 6 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now, and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. The market is open. 28.65 is my support area, so I'm placing an order out there around 28.72. The stock wants to give me a pullback, I'll add in. So IPOE, as I expected, it was a flush. It was a trap. Glad I did not fall to it. Ticker XPEV looks like it does not want to give me an entry, but I'll stick firm to my entry level. Maybe I'll get my ad here. It's failing. If $29 breaks, then probably I'll get my entry, but looks like it does not want to do so. I think I'm having a small lag in my charting software. If you look at the time and sales, you could see it's not printing the most accurate time. Charge point also failing. NEO actually just touched my support level. I missed it. Wish I had my order on NEO, but it is what it is. Yep, I got my ad on XPEV. Oh, I should have placed my 2 ads at least. 75 shares, taking it out. 28.93. Left with another 75, which I'm taking it now. Didn't get filled. Was a little late on my exit. Yep, I'm out. That was not a great exit. On NEO, I missed it completely. You see here on time and sales, it's 9:37:32, and the current market time is 9:38. So I think I have some platform issues. So had I placed my 3 orders out there, I would have got a great trade, because the low of this candle was 28.14, which obviously crossed my second support level, and it just touched my third support level. I missed it. PLTR, it can go against me very quickly, so I'm a little hesitant on PLTR. I'll wait. On QS, I'll be interested in 48.75. I'm in. Next, I'll go for 100 shares around 48.45. I'm in 48.45, 100 shares. I didn't get filled on my third ad. Maybe I'll sell 50 at 48.94. I'm canceling my third ad for now. I'll wait. Just changing my entry to 48.05. I wish I got my ad when it first pulled back, but it didn't fill me. Stop below the low of the day. That's the plan. I'm in the money now. I do have a sell order for 50 shares at 48.94. It didn't fill me. I think it just fell short of my exit. Just giving it some time. Maybe I'll have a losing trade, but I am giving it some more time to work out for me. Yep, I'm out. I'm just remaining with 100 shares. Maybe I'll sell 50 at 49.20. Got a partial. I'm out of that. Now I'm remaining with 50. I'm selling that for 49.30. 50 shares, I maybe just sell it off. Yep, I'm out of the trade. So I think that would be it for the day. I got a little messy with my trade execution and my hotkeys. I'm canceling my order out there at $48. I've been trading for close to around 20 minutes now, and I want to preserve some capital for tomorrow since I'm trading in a cash account. Overall, it was a decent day of trading, no reasons to complain. Being aware of the state of market where everything moving is choppy and getting two trades that work pretty decently well, I have no reasons to complain. Overall, on the day, making $110, I'll be completely happy with it. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.